Alright, so this is a couple days after I recorded all that POV driving. I'm gonna keep this super short and sweet. I know you guys just want to see the POV driving. This was all recorded over the course of like 3 days. So this was just every time I like drove somewhere, I just recorded it. And then this is just gonna be compiled of all the interesting clips, like sound clips. And then I do a quick burnout and then quick little donuts and stuff like that. So hopefully this comes out entertaining. Let me know if you guys want to see more stuff like this in the future. Oh, and your boy got this new camera setup. Yes, sir, it's kind of hard to see. Shout out to the nut stains. Not actually though. Yeah, so let's get into it. It rained earlier and it's dark. I think a at night video would be pretty sick, but I just really hope this lighting is good. It's literally like 12:30 a.m. so nobody's out here. Video that did pretty good of POV drive. A lot of people told me to shut the f up, so this video might just be a lot of raw sounds. Let me know if you guys like me talking, or if y'all would rather just have raw car sounds, or if you guys would like me to find like a 50-50 balance on these POV drives. Just let me know what you guys prefer. There's gonna be a time where I go by him at like 80, 45 right here, and he didn't budge. He was just like, damn, is that an N54, dog? I said, yerp. Wastegate stuck open. Boys, I'm going to Mexico for a quick 5 minutes, so I'll catch y'all there. Alright, welcome back. A little bit like the same like good old Maryland, but this is in fact Mexico. This isn't actually me driving, this is a stun double. I know no matter what I do, I'm still gonna get called a bitch, but I'm a sending donut. You know, like a glazed one, not like a cream filled donut or anything crazy, but it literally keeps putting me into second. I'm not even going into second. Automatic bullshit. Yep, we out of here. Like this one time, like a couple months ago, I had some people in the car, and I was, you know, showing off the new whip. It was like pretty early on when I got this car. I was sending it, and I actually blew both of my back tires. So that's forever giving me PTSD. All right, well, we're gonna very maturely go home now. always at the turn light with the little Gapparini. Oh my god, the potholes right here are atrocious. Morano looking ass. Man, that was a harder race than the Golf I've raced in my first POV video. I got flamed in that video for the Golf that I raced in there. I swear to God, I was trying to race everyone on the road, but nobody wanted to race. Somebody bitched about the Mustang. The Mustang didn't want to go. I cut it all out, but I was chasing that Mustang for miles. I'm not gonna leave that in the video because that's boring as hell. There's goddamn deers in the road, boy. Where's my goddamn 12 gauge? Shopwebbies.com, buy one. Oh, thought it was an opposite Jeep. Get your redneck ass out of here, boy. Man, y'all ever just fuck around and run from the cops? Me neither. But I didn't add this in there. At 2 a.m. in the morning, all you hear is you hear that drum beat, if you know what I'm saying, then you hear like this. And I go, ooh! Then I go to bed. There's a cop probably up here. Oh shit! Oh man, again? 2 times in one video? In Mexico, to clarify, I'm in Mexico. I'm a resident, the white, red, and in the green. The white, red, and the green, I'm a resident. I'll be there. If I send a donut in the middle of the road, you better like and subscribe to this goddamn video. I'm literally in my neighborhood right now. I'm about to bust a donut, so y'all bitches better like this and subscribe. Free me if I get caught up. Jesus Christ. Alright, now I'm like 1 minute from my house. Alright. I know it's a little bitch ass donut, but it is 1 o'clock in the morning. But I did send it in my neighborhood, so get a little rip going right here for the boys. So, what in the hell? There's just a dude chilling. Referring to my last video, I'm glad I got such good feedback on it, because honestly, I mean, it didn't do great in views, because everything for me right now, I mean, I'm still sub 2,000 subs, so no one gives a shit about me unless I have 335i in my thumbnail or title. But I love making skits and doing other content too. I mean, I can make other content other than just 335i content, but right now, people know me as a 335i kid, so that's all I got going for me right now. As far as my name, Wyatt Webster, I don't really got that going quite yet. But my goal is to get that known better, so people watch me for me instead of just having a 335i in my title. I love making skits, so thank you guys for the support on the last video. I do love making those. Alright boys, to end off this video, I'm gonna hit her with a little neighborhood burn ski. I mean, I know I'm still a bitch when it comes to sending this, but this is my baby, so. right, so hopefully you guys did enjoy that. Let me know if you guys want to see more like that. I try to step it up and be a little bit more aggressive in this driving video. I'm not going to go too crazy because this is my daily driver and I don't have money like that to be throwing tires off per day. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this. Let me know if you want to see more like this. Follow my socials and shop at shopwebbies.com. Your big video is coming soon. Catch you on the flip.